Okay, so follow up on the pickles. This is day 3. So you see some cloudiness, there's some bubbles. That's what you're supposed to be looking at. There's some sediment in the bottom. It's right on schedule. So now we wait for day 4 and 5, and that's when we start really checking it. And we'll go from there. And that's about it for now. So I'll see you in a few days. All right, so today we're going to start a new adventure. I'm going to do some pickled onions. So as you can see, I already peeled one. We're going to go ahead and peel these other two in a little bit. And I'm going to use that as to slice them up. So let me get going and I'll be back and we'll show you where I'm going with this. Okay, so here you see one very finely chopped onion. I'm going to go ahead and place it in my sanitized bowl jar, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the other two. I'm not going to go ahead and videotape me doing the other two. This is going to be good enough, and then we're going to go ahead and move up to the next stage, which is going to be making the brine and doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff this jar and see where I get with this, and then we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Okay, so I mixed up my brine. Here it is, and I put some, let's bring these over here so you can see garlic and stuff in here. We're gonna go ahead and ready to pour this in and pack it all down and add the rest if we have to. All right, so there's my finished product. What I forgot to tell you earlier in the video is the ratios. If you want a more classic ratio, it's 1 water, 1 vinegar. If you want a more sweeter, it's 2 water to 1 vinegar. If you want it a little bit bolder, you want 3 vinegar to 1. It's a 3 to 1 ratio, 3 vinegar, 1 water. So don't forget you have to, it's also sugar and salt. So it's 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 of salt. Sorry, stand corrected. So you have to make sure that whatever water you put in, you multiply. So if you use 4 cups of water, it's 4, and then it's 3, 6 on the other one. You can also look this up online and get the recipe. I'm sorry, I'm kind of like messing up the ratios, but I mean, you'll understand if you look it up. But there it is. It's a 1 to 1 ratio. 1 water, 1 vinegar, 1 salt, 1 sugar. Pretty basic. Okay. But that's about it. So we'll see you in like a day or so, and it'll be ready to go. Bon appetit.